Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to our next challenge series. In this series, we're going to be doing the mystery kit that I got in the last mystery box. So this is the mystery kit that I'm talking about. I did cover it in the unboxing video for my mystery kit. If you haven't seen that yet, let me go ahead and pop that up here at the top. Go ahead and take a quick look at that video. So it is 40.6 inches by 27.6 inches. It is Nature Animals by Image World. Total of 116,000-ish diamonds and 89 colors with 4 ABs and 6 fairy dust. So I'm actually really excited to get into this one, but I need your help to be able to get this started. What I want to do for this is I want to give you guys a few options. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start talking through all of that while I go ahead and get this kitted up. Yes, I still have the Hogwarts one sitting right here. We're going to get this one finished. Once that's finished, the series will come out for the mystery kit. But again, I need your help. I want to be able to do this in a different, interesting way. And in order for me to do that, I need to know how you guys want to see this revealed. All right, friends, so as I'm going through and doing this kit up process, you can see how with the mystery kit itself, there's no actual colors that are designed with the key. So on the key, on the left and right side of the painting, you can see to where we don't know what colors are what, and on the painting itself, that's what makes it a nice mystery. We don't know what we're getting ourselves into. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun when it comes to being able to do this. The way I have it somewhat structured is to start with the prime numbers on the canvas itself. I'll get an image flashed up here to where it will show the canvas, how I've got it numbered. But what I want to know from you is how do we go about doing this? We'll start with the prime numbers. There are 70 sections total on this canvas that I'm going to be looking at. I've already gone through and listed out all of my prime numbers. After we're done with those, do we do the odd numbers and the even numbers, and then the even numbers, sorry? Or do we do the prime numbers, the even numbers, and then the odd numbers? Or do we do the prime numbers and then just a random selection of what we feel like doing next? That's what we want to figure out. So what I'm going to do is you can either comment below, or I'm going to put a poll on the post page for the channel. Go to there, and then you can go ahead and do your input there as well. I want to get this done as quickly as possible because what I want to be able to do is I want to ensure that we can get started on this kit. With this being 116,000 diamonds. Each of these sections are going to take a little bit of time. With it being 70 sections, we're looking at, based off of what I was able to do with the Hogwarts crest, anywhere from 70 to 80 hours, I'm guessing, to get this completed. So the challenge in this lies to a couple different things. One, what have you guys chosen for me to do on this? Two, are we going to be able to get this done within that 70 to 80 hour time frame? And then three, what is the image? What do we think the image is going to be? Now, I want you to be mindful because some people may have already seen what this image is in the Facebook group for mystery kits. I believe there is one out there. I have not paid attention to it because I want to be surprised myself. So if you know what it is, don't put it in the comments below. But if you have a guess, or if you have a guess throughout our time doing it, just go ahead and put it down in the comments. I have a feeling this is going to be a lot of fun for all of us to interact with and to do. And let me know what you think of doing something like this in the future. I believe there are so many mystery kits that are out there, and these are a lot of fun to do. Yes, they're hard work, but they are a lot of fun to try and figure out what is this image actually of. After this video, there are going to be 4 more episodes. We're going to start with what you all have decided on the next video. And then there's going to be a couple of incremental videos after that to show our progress and where we are in revealing the diamond art, and then we're going to have the final reveal at the end. And yes, warning spoilers, if you haven't done this kit yet, you don't want to watch the series all the way through. But if you're curious and you want to see what's going on and what's happening and how we're going to get this done, by all means, be sure to go ahead and watch. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified on when I upload videos. This is going to be a weekly one that comes out, or bi-weekly, depending on how much time I have to get through this. If it's going to take 70 to 80 hours to get this done, I'm going to be spending a lot of time diamond painting, that's for sure. Last that I have for you, everyone, is don't forget to look in the description down below for a link to the Diamond Art Club website with my code in it to save you $10 off your next order. Or go to diamondartclub.com and put in Ryan's Candles Crafts at checkout and you can save $10 off on your next order. Every little bit helps. When you order using that code, it helps out the channel. I really appreciate you guys giving your support by doing so, and you get to save a little bit of money as well. All right, that is all we have for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the kitting up process and what we're going to be doing with this. Until next time, light a candle, grab a coffee, and let's keep crafting.